In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes and files to a record in Copper CRM. First, open your web browser and search for Copper CRM. From the results page, click the official Copper CRM link to go to the site. Once you're there, sign in to your account so you can access your records. If you use single sign-on with Google, go ahead and use that. Otherwise, sign in with your usual credentials. You can add notes to individual records, like leads, people, and companies, using the activity log in the center of a records page. For this walkthrough, we'll work inside the People section. Head to People and select the specific person you want to update. This opens their record detail view. In the center panel, look for the activity log. Depending on the record type, the label can vary. On opportunities, you'll see activity, and on tasks, it may show as notes. In the People record, you'll find the space where your timeline of interactions and updates lives. Click the line that says, "Click here to add a note." A text field will appear where you can type your update, things like a call summary, action items, or context from a recent meeting. Keep it clear and specific so anyone reviewing the record understands what happened and what comes next. When you're happy with the text, click Save. Your note is now added to the record's timeline, time-stamped, and visible to your team. This helps maintain a clean history of interactions right where you need it. Next, let's attach files so everything relevant is in one place. Copper primarily uses its Google Drive integration to manage files, and you can also relate files from emails when applicable. On the right-hand side of the record, find the Related panel, then locate the Files section. Click the plus icon next to Files. From the options, select Link to Google Drive. A picker will open so you can browse your drive. Choose the file or folder you want to link. This could be a proposal, a contract, meeting notes, or a shared folder, and then click Select. The file is now linked to the record, making it easy for your team to find the latest version without downloading or re-uploading. If your team collaborates in Drive, linking a folder is a great way to keep all related documents organized and accessible. That's it. You've added a note to the timeline and linked files to the record, giving your team a complete view of context and documentation in Copper CRM.